Colombian cake, original and authentically Colombian recipe. The ingredients are, half a kilo of sugar, half a kilo of butter, 550 grams of self-rising flour. If you use all-purpose flour, for each cup of flour add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. The flour is sifted with the following powdered spices: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and half a teaspoon of cloves, and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. 12 jumbo eggs. Chop in a processor. 250 grams of raisins, 250 grams of plums, 250 grams of almonds and 250 grams of walnuts or pecans. Finally, 250 grams of hand-chopped figs. Add grated orange and lemon zest. 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. And to darken the cake mixture, add half a cup of caramel color or burnt sugar. Before starting the beating, turn on the oven to preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade. On medium-low speed, cream the butter with the sugar for 5 to 7 minutes until it is smooth, creamy, and almost white. Add the eggs one by one on medium speed, and when the beating looks cut, start adding portions of flour until the consistency of the mixture is recovered. Continue adding the eggs alternately with the flour. Then add the vanilla and finally the caramel color. Beat a little more, just until well incorporated. Pour the batter over the chopped fruit and mix by hand. The nuts are well blended and scattered throughout the cake when baked. They do not go to the bottom of the cake. With a mixture of cooking oil and flour, grease the cake pans using a brush. To avoid overcooking and cracks in the top of the cakes, cover the pans with aluminum foil. Baking time is approximately 60 minutes. Immediately remove from the oven and let cool 5 minutes on a wire rack before unmolding. This way the base of the cake does not get wet and unmold well. It does not stick to the mold. Once the cake is unmolded, it is bathed with sweet red wine, Oporto wine, or sweet vermouth. When the cake is still warm, it can be moistened better because it absorbs the wine completely. Here are some brands of sweet wine you can use. Without waiting for the cake to cool, wrap it in plastic film and make sure to close it well. It can be left like this for consumption in 2 or 3 days. To keep it for a longer time, wrap it well as if you were vacuum packing it. This way it will last for months in the refrigerator and years in the freezer.